What's going on, guys? Roger Lawn Care here, and today I'm here with my buddy Braxton, and we're doing a little something different, something out of our norm. We got to cut that tree down right there. Cut that tree down. We got some bushes I take out too that are dead up at the house, but we're gonna try to cut this tree down safely as we can. We had two options where we could take it to. Either take it up this hill right here behind me, let it drop over here, but then you got this patio right here that we're afraid we hit or take a chance on hitting. So we're actually just gonna go towards that driveway, kind of up the hill towards the driveway a little bit. That way, you ain't got nothing really to hit over there. So I'm trying to get as much clips as I can here, and I'll get back to you guys here in a second. That might be too tight. It's feel weird, huh? Bring the screwdriver. I think I locked my door. Got my wallet in there. We also got some fresh new chains on our weed eaters. Weed eaters, huh? Chainsaw, my bad. Brand new steel ones, so it's cutting everything out of my way. That way if I have to start running. Yeah, that kind of thing. No, it's pretty nice. Yeah. I'm just gonna cut it. I'm gonna knock it right here. Right there. Yeah, because I don't want to go down here at the bottom. So I'm gonna do it here and then come back through and then cut the stump. I want to do it where I'm standing. I just don't like how it's leaning that way. Well, that's all I gotta get a rope. Yeah. Where are you gonna put a rope at? He's got a hook. And we're gonna hook it up, tie it to it. I guess you two stand up there and just freaking pull pressure. It don't take much to move them. Yeah. We're either gonna nail this or kill ourselves. Them bass boats? Probably.
No. Maybe.
There you go.
You got it.
No. What?
I have to throw it harder. Give her all she's got. Nice. Maybe put them up on your shoulders. You might be able to grab it.
Can you not push to get it to fall on down?
Probably not.
Yeah, do what you're gonna do.
There you go. You started down a little bit. Keep doing that. You'll get it down here. One on. I'm gonna get this one.
Here, I'll go
I
get
get
it.
an 8.
Really?
Yeah, I got old positive blood. Just keep it.
Yeah, I got positive, but I get ate up all the time. But now I ain't get that. But
Lead up my hands. I got short, so I feel like my legs are.
yeah, I hope mainly got O positive. We're always getting hit up. We keep them freaking those candles lit all the time at the house.
Yeah,
We're outside.
we keep that outside. You want to?
And then I figure I'd
Okay.
go throw it up there while you
Where's the nothing?
unravel it. I don't know why they hate you if you did bust something. Yeah. How much you think that patio was? That patio was fun. What do you want this? Is that little one? Yeah. Oh, I missed that. My leg.
Back here, it looked like you had it for a second.
Yeah, I hit my leg. I slowed it down. Pull it. You hold the rope, I thought. You gotta be kidding me. You would have had it if you held the freaking rope. Yeah, let the rope go. How hard it look.
Oh, there was one here.
Yes, he had a guy, it failed onto this tree.
Oh, I think I remember that.
You don't want to pull too far that way and get tangled up in nose. I would go this way.
Yeah. Go that
We're good. Feel better now, Brett?
Yeah, my heart's racing.
I guarantee it about was too. For a minute there, I thought it was going to come this way.
Yeah. Can't beat that, Landon.
No, that was perfect.
I've cut trees, huh? Yeah, when you went back like that and come at that angle, I started hopping. I said, nope, that'll get it right where we wanted, I hope. And it did.
Yeah, I was trying to go up to where if it did roll down, it was great. Kind of. Oh man.
That's bigger than I realized.
guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. Hope y'all did enjoy. We got that tree knocked out pretty fast. It took us about 3 hours to cut that down, clean it up, drop it off, dump it we actually ended up dumping at Braxton's house because he's got a spot. They were outside his house. They come by and pick up brush and whatnot. So we got it dumped off there. Got that took care of. Wasn't a bad job. The tree was already dead pretty much. It just, you know, wasn't growing much leaves or nothing like that. It needed to be cut down. And the only worry there was just we didn't hit that patio beside it, and didn't want to like also land on the boat dock down below. So it landed perfectly pretty much where we needed to go, and we cut it up pretty fast. He got a new chain on his chainsaw. I got one on mine, and you know, cut through pretty good. I got a Craftsman chainsaw, nothing fancy. I bought it just for when I put my house up here. I had a bunch of trees I cut down and whatnot. I was gonna come up here and cut them up and burn it or whatever, but ended up not having to use it. So put it to use the last handful of months on some little jobs here and there. So, you know, that's probably the biggest tree I've ever cut down. Haven't done much tree work or anything like that, but, you know, it don't take a rocket scientist to do something like that. You know, you can learn pretty much anything on YouTube anymore. Just gotta be careful, you know, not hurt yourself. But yeah, we got that knocked out. Wasn't too bad, like I said. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please go ahead and hit the like. Also subscribe if you're new here. Comment down below if you have any questions, anything like that. And yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out, guys.